Hi all, welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. This is the first video in our new office. One of our subscriber having a doubt, so let us see what is the doubt. It's a genuine or not. Okay. See, in this particular video, he commented. See what he commented. Usually, let us check. What his name? His name is at Toyan Gyoan. Okay, I don't know exactly the pronunciation, sorry for that. Mr. Toyan Nguyen, so he said, hello teacher, IO has 2 rows of pins, how to read in order? Okay, for that I requested him which IO number, so then he has given the part number of the motherboard. What is that? Hi teacher, Dell PAL 50 LA 6594P. See, it's a really good question. Many people unable to understand in some cases what the IO pin contains, what type of IOs are there. Those things are very important to know. It's a very simple topic, I know, but many people having trouble in reading the pins of the particular IO. Okay, in this particular model, the IO will be MAC 5028. See, MAC ECE 5028. This one by one we will check what it contains. See, the IO contains MAC ECE. It's a microchip manufacturer. It has how many pins? See, usually everyone knows the IO contains 128 pin only, but it's false. It will come in three variant. So one is 128 pin, other one is 134 pin, one more is 132 pin. Really, it's wondering, right? So it has 3 types. 132, 134, 128. Okay, not only 128. See, there are 3 types. One is 128 pin VTQFP. See, in VTQFP format, it has only 128. In BGA format, it has 134. In QFN format, it has 132 pins. What are these? What is that QFP? VTQFP. What is this? What it means? Very few people knows this one, but anyway, for beginners, especially for beginners, I am going to answer it. QF, quad face or quad flat. Quad means what? 4. Quad means 4. 4 faces are flat. Okay, that is the meaning. Second one is BGA, ball grid array. The small balls, you know that in chipset it will be there, processor, chipset, everything it will be having. So the PCH, the ball grid array IO will be there. Okay, in foreign countries we will see much IO using that BGA pins. QFN, what is that? QF just I told, quad face or quad flat. N means no lead. It doesn't have the pins, side pins. Almost all in India, so many IO manufacturer having the pin logic one only, pin packages, right? So in some other countries, we can see the BGA and QFN also. In India also, QFN are very famous. Okay, what are those? One by one we can study. Here, the 128 pin QFP. QFP means it's a pin, last number pin will come. QF means quad flat or quad face. Actually, the technical name is quad flat. How it looks? See, in 3D view, it looks like this. Side pins. In India, almost these kind of IOs are very famous. right? It has four faces. See, that's called, it's a quad face or quad flat. Quad flat in the sense, here it's the one, sorry, here is the 1, 2, 3, 4. All four faces, it has the pin. So that's called QFP. P means it's a pin. Quad flat pin. Okay. VT is a part number. It's 128 pin VT. Now you got it, right? So 128 pin, almost all it comes like this only in QFP format. Next format, ball grid. I told you in foreign countries and all, you will get this kind of IO. So those all are completely ball grid. See, in 3D view, in bottom of the IO, it looks like this. All balls. See, in bottom view, it's a 3D view. This one, in the bottom view, it will be looks like this. See, here it's the A to N, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. See, M, N, up to N rows it contains. Each rows and columns. See, up to 1 to 13 columns it has. Many people doesn't know this, so please listen it carefully. It has columns and rows. It will be reading like this. Here it will be notch. Okay. From here it will start as a row. A row, B row, C row, D row, like that up to N row. Like that 1 to 13 columns are there. See, 1, 2, 3 like this. Total 13 columns. In what? QFBGA. TFBGA. It contains 134 pins package. Okay, see, if you see in side view, so it looks like this. If you see in bottom side, see, it looks like this. Only balls. These are the balls. Now we come to know, right? It's a D1. We call it as a D1, and year to year the rows A to N we call it as a E1. Once again, I'll repeat. See, the rows we call it as a E1. The columns we call it as a D1. The thickness and all here it has mentioned. See, the ball grid thickness 134x, some unit are there. Here 132 pin DQFN. What is that? DQFN. Just now I told you D is the type. It's a 132 pin DQFN. FN in the sense QFN. Q means it's a quad, flat, no lead. Okay, it doesn't have lead. Here it is. See, in this particular subscriber's schematic, this particular IO is there. So he has trouble in this. How to read it is. How to read it. See, here is the top view. Mr. XYZ, sorry, I don't know exact the name. See, here is the top view, right? Top view, here is the bottom view. Here in side view, you can see like this. See, here is the top view and here is the bottom view. Bottom, how many lids are there here? I mean, it's non-lid. See, it's a part 1 and 2. Here also 1 and 2. This side also 1 and 2. Right. See how we can read it. Here the top portion having a notch. Okay, from here we will count. It's a number 1, 2, 3 like this. If you turn it, its bottom side it has notch here. Okay, notch will be having this side. See, from here A1 to A16. Please note down A1 to A16. Here B, one more details. In details I'll show you. See, this row, I mean this column having, this row or column A1 to A16. Outside, what you are seeing outside the pin, these all are A portion. The thing is, just you need to identify where exactly the first. it will start from beginning. If you identify, see, from here the notch will be there, no, from notch here A1 to A16. Inside one more, see, this part is there, no, this one we called it's a B. If you find from the where the beginning one, so from there its inside part is a B1 to B17, B18 to B34, B35 to B51. Okay, like that A1 to A16, A17 to A32, A33 to A48, A49 to A64. That's it. So total how many pins? 132 pin. 132 pin DQFN. You got my point, right? That's it. It's very simple. So note down this. In future it may be useful to you. Not only you who doesn't know this particular fact, so for them it's very important one. That's it, guys. Thank you very much.